guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video. David here. So today we're going to try to do Moreleta Park and see what it has to offer, which is very basically close to Erasmus Kloof and so on. So look at these valleys. I think this should be the Moreleta Reserve, eh? If we go here to the left, my love. Okay, Moreleta Park we are in officially. Okay, so this is the Moreleta Park Nature Reserve. Very safe if you guys want to walk inside. We went once for a 6-kilometer walk and it was quite enjoyable. Just take a lot of water because you will sweat a ton. Not go in, but just to show the parking. Also try to show you guys the houses on this side of the road. Like this side of Pretoria is like Johannesburg South. Yeah, this part of Gauteng. You can see that, like that's the that's a Moreleta Park parking. This is where you guys come for the walk. You got some zebras around, some ostriches, at least it was last time. You guys can see tons of parking. They have several trails. I don't want you guys to find out it, come here for yourselves, because I want you guys to get out of the house. I think there is also now a coffee shop on that side. So it came a big way, eh, since last time we were here. You can see cool place to chill. How's it, guys? You can see it's already ready for you guys to come and explore yourselves. If you are bored one of these afternoons during the weekend, we really advise you guys to come around. Again, you guys can see, don't speed because zebras are around. You guys can see we are just going nearby the Moreleta Kloof Nature Reserve. You gotta feel blessed to have like a house around here, don't you? Just breathing, having a forest next to you is like the equivalent of living next to the sea, you know? Actually, the ocean produces more oxygen than the forest. After we do this external area, guys, we're gonna do the inside. And look at this one. And look at this one. Okay. Okay. Here go we are another. More like townhouses here. I'm gonna try to do also that side. So that's another side of Erasmus Kloof. Try to show you guys a little bit more. I'm gonna go back. So Erasmus Kloof is quite big, eh? Because according to the signs that we see in the road, we always try to define an area on the street based on where Moreleta starts, where what do you call it, Erasmus Kloof starts. While you're driving, you start to see those signs, right? And that's we basically know where we are. And this is where you find these hidden gems. You have a very good idea of the place itself, and just follow the hill. Think we should go up the hill, please, Lovey? So, what to say about this video? Location, hospitals, weather. Pretoria just carries on giving. Don't you think? Don't you think, wifey? It's like so many houses. sure. You, Jay. Getting out of the car just to show you guys. Look, even the lawn on this side of the road was cut, eh? That just shows how people here in the community know how they can make the difference. Yeah, we were there on the first part of the video. I mean, in this case for the Moreleta video, guys will see the other side. Just give me a second. A lot of potential, these properties. All the way down. No two ways about it, they're beautiful houses. Speaking about the full house,